Welcome to this tutorial on StateFlow, a powerful state holder designed specifically for user interface state management in Kotlin Coroutines. StateFlow provides an elegant way to manage and observe state changes in your Android applications, making it an essential tool for modern app development. StateFlow is a hot flow that represents a read-only state with a single updatable data value. It has three key characteristics. First, it always has a current value that can be accessed immediately. Second, it emits updates to all active collectors whenever the state changes. Third, it is conflated, meaning only the latest value matters. If multiple updates happen quickly, collectors only receive the most recent state. Creating a state flow involves two steps. First, we create a mutable state flow, which is a private mutable version that can update the value internally. Then, we expose it as a read-only state flow to external consumers. This pattern ensures encapsulation, allowing only the ViewModel to modify the state while UI components can only observe it. Notice how we initialize MutableStateFlow with a UI state object as the initial value. There are two ways to update StateFlow values. The first approach is direct assignment using the value property, where we assign a new state by copying the current state with modified properties. The second and preferred approach is using the update function, which provides thread-safe updates. The update function takes a lambda that receives the current state and returns the new state, ensuring atomic updates even in concurrent scenarios. To observe StateFlow changes in your UI, use the collect function within a lifecycle-aware scope like lifecycle scope. This launches a coroutine that continuously listens for state updates. Whenever the ViewModel emits a new state, the collect block receives it, and you can update your UI accordingly. This creates a reactive connection between your ViewModel and UI layer. Understanding when to use StateFlow versus SharedFlow is important. StateFlow always requires an initial value and holds a single state, making it perfect for representing UI state. It is conflated by default, so slow collectors won't slow down the producer. SharedFlow, on the other hand, does not require an initial value and is designed for emitting discrete events. It offers configurable replay behavior and is best suited for one-time events like navigation or showing toast messages. Here is a complete example showing StateFlow in action within a ViewModel. The user ViewModel contains a private mutable StateFlow and exposes a public read-only StateFlow. The load user function demonstrates a typical use case. It launches a coroutine in ViewModel scope, sets the loading state to true, fetches user data from a repository, and then updates the state with the fetched user while setting loading to false. This pattern ensures clean separation of concerns and reactive UI updates. Let's summarize the key points. StateFlow is perfect for observable UI state management, providing a reactive and efficient way to handle state changes. Always use MutableStateFlow internally within your ViewModel and expose only the read-only StateFlow to external consumers for proper encapsulation. Remember that StateFlow always has a current value that collectors can access immediately, eliminating null checks. Finally, its conflated nature ensures that only the latest state matters, preventing unnecessary UI updates and improving performance.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.